South Hampstead High School is a dynamic girls' school in North London. As part of a major building programme, it transformed an anonymous former gym into an elegant and versatile contemporary performance space. So how did it become the Waterlow Hall? Well, there was a lot of new stuff for the staff to get their heads around. But the school had owned Metrodeck for years, so Finance Director Robert Jones knew where to turn for staging. Robert outlined the needs of each department, and it was then down to us to ensure that the package was right for everyone. The result? The same great Metrodeck versatility, but with a finish that matched the classy new aesthetic. The basis of the package is a set of demountable tiers for choir or orchestra. And in an opening week of concerts and events, hundreds of girls sang and played, alumni came to give the hall their blessing, and thanks were given to those whose efforts had borne such fruit.